attack the blood. So come this way. You're gonna try and attack. Whoa, stop!
They're letting out
Blood! When you see these icky guys coming, what are you gonna do?
Make antibodies.
Make antibodies. And what are those antibodies gonna do? You're gonna protect the body by doing what? By attacking the germs. So, antibodies. You need to match up with a germ. If you match up with a germ, those germs need to sit down because that germ's been killed. How many germs do we have? Okay. Antibodies, you can go back. Antibodies, go back. Germs, show us your signs. Is this person, no, just the germs that are alive. Is this person going to get sick? This person's going to get sick. Why, Karen?